Question number 1. Identify the incorrect statement. Option number 1 is plants and animals consumes oxygen for respiration. Option number 2 is plants on burning also consumes oxygen. Option number 3 is process of transfer of water from tree parts to air like leaves and stem is called evaporation. And option number 4 is chimneys take away harmful substances to out. Answer is option number 3. Process of transfer of water from tree parts to air like leaves and stem is called evaporation. जो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है एक गलत है, क्योंकि जो भी ट्रीज़ है, ट्रीज़ के लीव्स के थ्रू जो भी पानी एवोपरेट होके जाता है तो उस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं ट्रांसपायरेशन. और जो अपना सी है, रिवर्स है, वेल है, जो मतलब वाटर बॉडीज़ है, तो वाटर बॉडीज़ के ऊपर का पानी जब एवोपरेट होता है और वो एयर में मिक्स हो जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेपर्स, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एवोपरेशन. बट व्हेन द वाटर फ्रॉम द ट्रीज, that is either from leaves or the stem of the tree, when evaporates due to the heat or any other reason and get mixed with the air, that process is called as a transpiration, not evaporation. Question number 2 is dash dash is released during burning process. Option number 1 is nitrogen, option number 2 is oxygen, option number 3 is carbon, and option number 4 is carbon dioxide. So answer is option number 4, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas which is used to quench the fire. Okay, so nitrogen is available in the air in abundant form, that is 78%. Oxygen is about 20%, and carbon is less than 1%. Sorry, carbon, here carbon is an element, and carbon dioxide is a gas which is present in the air. The proportion is less than 1%, but the carbon dioxide is a gas which is released during the process of burning. To burn anything or to put a fire, we need three things. One is ignition, means the source by which we can ignite the things. Second one is we need oxygen, and third one we need fuel. Okay, so when we put the fire, so if there is no oxygen, then that object will not catch the fire, even though there is a presence of the fuel or the ignition. Question number 3 is which part of the air still there in glass in large quantity where candle goes off after burning. This is the experiment of the candle. When we put burning candle in the plate which is filled with water, and when we put one glass upside down to cover the candle, and when candle goes off, because it consumes the oxygen which is present in the glass. Okay, so suddenly the level of the water in the glass rises, but still there is one gas present in the glass, and that gas is called as a nitrogen, because the proportion or the quantity of the nitrogen in the air is near about 78%. So answer is option number 1. Question number 4, why animals in the soil comes out during rain. Option number 1 is because the need option number 1 is because they need water to drink. Option number 2 is they need oxygen to respire. Option number 3, they want to enjoy the rain. And option number 4 is to get rid from threat of other animals. The answer is option number 2, they need oxygen to respire. Okay, so when during the sunny day, when there are the cracks in the soil, so if there is a place, then air moves inside, and the animals which are living in the soil, they get oxygen from that cracks where the air is present. But when rain season starts, the rain goes in that gaps, and then the oxygen or the gas which is present in the gaps, that gas comes out. So to survive, these animals or these organisms which are living in the soil, they need oxygen to survive or to respire. So in search of oxygen, they comes out to the ground level. Question number 5. Mark out the correct sentence. Option number 1 is birds don't need air to fly. Option number 2 is windmill is used to draw water from tube well, or windmill is again used to generate the electricity. Option number 3 is plants and animals helps us maintain equilibrium of carbon dioxide and O2 in air. Option number 4 is there is about 78% nitrogen present in the air. And answer is bird don't need air to fly. Actually, the question should be like that. Mark out the incorrect sentence. So incorrect sentence is birds don't need air to fly. This is wrong sentence. Without air, birds cannot fly. Question number 6. True or false? Plants produces more oxygen than they use. Option 1 is true, option 2 is false, and answer is option number 1, true. Every human being or every organisms, every plants need oxygen to respire, to survive. So plants takes oxygen, consumes oxygen during the day and night. Okay, but during the daytime, to produce the food, they consumes more carbon dioxide, and during the process of the photosynthesis, and after producing the food, or in that process, during the process of the photosynthesis, they produce more oxygen, they releases more oxygen as compared to what they consume for their respiration. Okay, so the plant produces more oxygen than they use is a true statement. Question number 7. Find out the incorrect sentence. Option number 1 is mucus and hairs in the nose acts as a filter machine to give pure air. Option number 2 is animals living in water use dissolved oxygen to respire. Option number 3 is if we pour some water in soil, if the bubble comes, it indicates presence of oxygen in soil. And option number 4 is animal living in soil never depends on oxygen for their respiration. And answer is option number 4. Animal living in soil never depends on oxygen for their respiration. So this is the incorrect sentence or incorrect statement. Every animal needs oxygen to respire, to survive. There are certain animals, there are certain plants in which they perform the respiration without oxygen, because there are two types of the oxygen. There are two types of the respiration. One with oxygen, and another one is without oxygen. Okay, so there are certain plants. Question number 8. Identify incorrect sentence. Option number 1 is presence of water vapor in air is important for water cycle. Option number 2 is air is a mixture of different component. Option number 3 is burning candle covered by glass goes off because of rise in water level. And option number 4 is nitrogen takes the 4/5 part place in the air. Answer is option number 3. Burning candle covered by glass goes off because of rise in the water level. This statement is incorrect, because burning candle goes off because of the lack of the oxygen. Whatever the oxygen was there in the glass, that burning candle consumes that oxygen, and at the end, when oxygen ends or ores, the burning candle goes off, not because of the water level. Water level rises when the amount of the oxygen is consumed by the burning candle. So there is a space is created, and to fill that space, the water which is present outside the glass in the plate that goes inside the glass to fill that place. Question number 9. Burning occurs in the presence of digest. Option number 1 is nitrogen, option number 2 is oxygen, option number 3 is petrol, and option number 4 is carbon dioxide. And answer is option number 2, oxygen. Here oxygen is a main agent which is used to put a fire, and petrol is a fuel, because we need three things to put a fire. So one is ignition, second one is oxygen, which is a burning agent, and third one is a fuel, whatever rocket, petrol, diesel. Okay, so in this case the burning occurs in presence of dash dash. So if there is no oxygen, the burning cannot occur. Okay, so option answer is option number 2, oxygen. And last and question is, which gas in the air is useful for plants to make their food? Option number 1 is oxygen, option number 2 is carbon dioxide, option number 3 is nitrogen, and option number 4 is methane. Answer is option number 2, carbon dioxide. During the photosynthesis, plants use the carbon dioxide present in the air in the presence of the sunlight. They make their own food, and at the same time they releases the oxygen in the huge amount to the air, so that the balance of the oxygen in the air can be maintained,